Alright, Nelson fam. Today we're gonna play heads and tails with this assault. Alright, let's go. This is tails, this is heads, and this is you guys lose and I win, alright? How does it go? Heads, that's hot. Tails, what? Sonic. Alright, let's go. Alright, look, you guys lost. That's crazy. Let's try this again. Oh, tails. That means you guys lost. Heads. That means you guys lost again. You guys are so bad at this. Oh, heads again. All right. We're going to try this again, but this time I'll help you guys out. And if it lands on its side, that means that you guys could win. Let's go. All right. Now comment down below. The pinned comment decides if you won or lost. And if you don't subscribe, I know where you live.